pub. Mayosa's pub. You can find the location of Mayosa's pub at South Central. So when you get to South Central, so you ask anybody about Mayosa's pub, they will show you, they will direct you to this place. So today I'm going to show you my finest meat seller, chef, and today he's preparing the meat. So you can see this is the meat preparation. You can see it's being prepared. Very nice. The scent and the aroma, very nice. Yeah. So what type of meat is this?
This one is gizzard. Gizzard.
This is gizzard.
Yeah.
Okay. So maybe how long will it take for it to be ready?
At least as you are donning it, at the same time you are turning it. So looking at it, it will get to 5 minutes.
So
turn of the don.
Okay. So maybe 5 to 10 minutes. The gizzard will be ready.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much do you sell the gizzard? How much?
We have one for 2 cedis, one for 2.5, one for 1 cedi.
Wow. So guys, you can see here the meat is very affordable to purchase, to buy. You can get one for 1 cedi, 2 cedis, or 2 cedis, 50 pesos. Very cheap. So guys, you can come here, Mayosa's pub, and you can get one and then satisfy yourself.
Yeah, this is goat meat.
So this one is what?
Goat.
Goat meat.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much is the goat meat?
That one is 1 for 2 cedis.
1 for 2 cedis. Wow, nice. So guys, you can get this goat meat for 1 for 2 cedis. Very cheap. Yeah. And this one too is sausage, guys. So it's been arranged in a circular manner, in a circular order. Very nice. Wow. If it is a human being, I'll say it is very athletic. Yeah. Wow. So guys, this is a guinea fowl. Wow, nice. So how much is the guinea fowl?
One is 30 cedis.
30 cedis. Okay guys, you can see that this is really affordable. All this full guinea fowl, we can get it as low as 30 cedis. So very cheap, guys. You can come here, at Mayosa's pub, and then get one for you and your family. You can get a seat here and then enjoy yourself. Very nice. Today I'm here in talks with Chef. So I think, what about this one too?
This one is chicken.
This one is the real chicken. Yeah. So how much is this one?
That one is for 5 cedis.
5 cedis. Wow. 5 cedis. So in $1, guys, you can get a chicken. That's if you convert the Ghanaian currency to American dollar. You can get this for only $1. Only for $1, guys. So you just have to come here. If you want to know the location, just comment on the link below, and then I'll show you this fine place for you to get yourself this tasty meat. And the aroma, very nice. So what about this one there?
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
That one is the lower 2 cedis one.
And this one too is chicken.
Yeah.
So guys, this one too is chicken. It's very 2 cedis. So in less than $1, you can get this chicken meat and then enjoy. So you can see it's on, like, he's grilling and making it ready for it to be consumed. So very nice. And so what about this? What is this?
That was the yaji.
Yaji. So what is the yaji? What is it?
Yaji is the pepper that you mix with the hot pepper.
Okay, okay. So guys, yaji, this is the yaji, or this is what is used as the garnishing, the finishing touches. This is the hot pepper. Yeah. And this is the another sausage too. And what about this one too?
That's python. The oil there you put it on top so that it shouldn't burn.
Okay guys, so this is the oil for you to avoid burning and all those things, to keep it fresh and very tasty. So this is the oil. You can see onions here. Everything is now fully prepared. So guys, come here and then come and consume this affordable meat only at these premises as by users pub. You can get a place to sit, whether outside, inside, and can get minerals, drinks, anything you want. Just come to my users pub. Nice one. Tasty. So today I'm going to purchase some for you to know how this meat really tastes. So I guess I'm going to get each one of these meat. I'm going to get each one of it. The meat. I get one gizzard, one sausage, one goat meat. Wow. I think you didn't tell me about this one. What about it?
That one's cow.
This one is cow.
Yeah, cow.
Okay, how much is one cow?
One for 2 cents.
Okay, very affordable. You can see someone is here coming to purchase some. So what is your name? Your name? Kojo. So what are you here to buy? Giza. So have you been coming here? Are you a regular customer? So how many are you buying? One or two? Only one? Oh, Kojo. Why only one? You want me to add an additional one to it? Eh? So anytime, come here. Today you buy one and I'll buy you another one to it in addition. So that anytime you come here, don't go anywhere because this place is very affordable. Kojo? Very affordable. When you go to elsewhere, you can get this one maybe for 3 cedis or so. But here it's giving to you 2 cedis and 1 cedi. Very, very affordable. Yeah. Nice. Is this for Kojo? Yeah, let's make it 2. So you can see how it's being finished. All the pepper. Now the onions are being chopped in. Everything fresh and nice. And these are the fresh pepper going inside. It's very nice. All for Kojo. Yeah. You gave him only one. I told you that I'm buying additional one. Okay. All for Kojo. Smile. Yeah. forgotten the money. So guys, here I'm going to get myself one sausage. Look at how it's made. Yeah. So that everything will be inclusive, very nice. And then 2 gizzard. So guys, how are you doing today? Today I'm interviewing my big chef here. You know that the meat he sells here is very affordable if you compare it to other places like Brother Man and all those things. So what's your take on it? So are you a regular customer or not really? It's only today that you want to enjoy something. Ah, okay. So how is it when you consume it? It's fine. Okay. So you see yourself on YouTube. What will you say? Aha. Okay. These are live pictures, eh? And your name? Jeff. And I have given him a nickname, Chef. So Jeff and Chef. Okay. So guys, you can find all this here at Mayosa Park. Come and enjoy your meat. This is tasty meat. 2 gizzard on it, and then what should I add to it? See how it's being finished and garnished. These are onions, chopping onions. After that, you add the powdered pepper, and then you finish. Yeah. So Jeff rather, is taking his own to the house. Yes, finished. So Jeff, see you next time. Was trying to greet you, this guy. Oh, you don't know him?
Oh, I know him. The one
who's pardon me for live today, eh? I have to bring my sister here so that today he will enjoy some. Yeah. I have to spoil her teeth. have to let my sister know that something is ongoing here, so that so guys, look at how it's been done. Nice.
Virginia.
Yeah. So these are onions.
Small.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.